Woo. Brown skin, red bone, got a bad bitch two-tone.
Hi angels, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. I look crazy with these scissors. I look crazy with these scissors. Hi angels, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are not, what's up, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing. I can't pick this box up. Like, let me see. Oh, y'all gonna get me because I'm not supposed to be picking this up. Spinal surgery. So I really want to get y'all to be able to see me open it. Let me see. Let me see what I can do with the. Oh, this lighting is off. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna do it right there because the light. Alright. This is the box. I don't want to do these, so I'm gonna get my little handy dandy crate. Oh, break stuff. My handy dandy crate, and sit right here, and y'all gonna watch me unbox it. So let's see. And I really pray that everything is in here because one vendor, they send everything at one time when I do like big orders. That's in like thousands of dollars at one time. So one vendor sends everything. Another vendor, they like to break stuff up. And then when they break it up, they don't even send me like the whole thing of all. Say if it's this romper, they might send me like 4 smalls, 2 larges. And then I'm like, well, where the rest of my stuff at? And they do that because they know if you get the whole thing, you ain't gonna cancel it, or you're gonna cancel it. So they split it up. So when I unbox stuff, I pretty much group everything together because after I take everything out the box, I gotta count it, make sure everything right, make sure all my stuff here. So this, let me see. Because I kind of want to show y'all like what each item is so y'all can get like a sneak peek. So this is the red body suit. These have been popular. It's like the V-neck. It's kind of like the Jisoo body suits that he has. Yeah, and he got red too. So put that over here. Then this right here. If I can find a small, because I want to find a small to show y'all. Okay, this one is small. I call this, what did I call this? I think I called it the Waiter or something like that. Something named after Jada Moore, because first of all, that's my girl. I love her. Like, she inspiration. She younger than me, but she's like my inspiration. So this, I think she wore something like this on her birthday, I think it was, or recently. I don't know. I'm gonna put like a picture right here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But it's really cute. It's not exactly what she had on, but it's real similar. And this is that. Let's see. Oh, I don't like that blue. I like it, but it's not what I thought it was. This right here is a set. What did I call this? I think I called it Schoolgirl. I think I called this Schoolgirl. It's like this really cute open top, and then it's some pants at the bottom because it's getting cold, but you still want to be cute, you know. Then pants at the bottom. I got this in gray and black with the black trimming, and then I got it in black with, is it white or is it gray trimming? Let me see. What color is this? This is white. Okay, so yeah, this is the black version of it. Make sure my camera is recording. Yeah, it's recording. And then the bottoms, boom. All that. Okay, now this right here, I really thought this was gonna be like a baby blue, like really lighter. Is this open or is it not? But it came a little bit darker, but it's gonna be real cute. What, Amoya? Real cute. So these are the bottoms. They have, is it pockets? What is this? Okay, no. They have a split at the bottom. I love those splits. That's really cute. And then it's like a knot in the front. Oh, and then the arms have the thing, because when you cold, these little things come in handy. Where's that? The thing where you could put your thumb through, like on the arm. I really like those. And I got that in, did I get it in black? I think I got it in black and baby blue. So, ooh, my hair. So I got that in this. Trying to hurry up so this video don't be so long, because I still, like I said, after this I have to go through everything and make sure everything is here.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
I feel like this isn't my whole order. Like, because this is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. I don't know. This can't be my whole order, because I spent money, like boohoo money. Oh, okay, yeah, and I got the same thing in black. So, let me see. Same thing with the little knot, which you really can't see it because it's black. And then the pants that go with it. I can't wait to take pictures and this stuff. Woo! Let's see. That's that. Yeah, this isn't my whole order at all whatsoever. I'm gonna have to call him. But it's cool though, because I can redo my floor, which I redid it this morning, but I can put those red bodysuits that I just showed y'all on this right here. And then I can put this stuff right here, this brown stuff, maybe back there. Am I pointing right in the right direction where that cheetah stuff at? And then that gray, I don't know. I'm gonna have to redo the floor. But let me count this stuff, because that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's only 6 things. I have to call them and contact them and ask them where the rest of my order is. So what I do is I get my phone. And I count. This crate really comes in handy. Like, my mama is not getting a crate back whatsoever. So it be people looking at me like, why is she talking to a camera?
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You
So that is that. Ugh. So the next thing I do after I count everything and make sure everything is there, I basically put it on my rolling rack, and then I tag it and I put it in sizes small to large. That's just something I like to do. Make sure the smalls are in the front, the largest are in the back. So let me show y'all my rolling rack. And my mama really convinced me to get this. I'm so glad she did, because it really comes in handy. So this is the rack. Yeah, and to make it easier, I go ahead and look at what kind of hangers I need. If I need bottom hangers, if I need top hangers. I really just start off with the top hangers. And I put all the hangers on there. I got to figure out a way for y'all to be able to see me so I can prop y'all up and do what I need to do. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm coming right back.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was thinking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it. You need. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was thinking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it. You need. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was thinking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it. You need.
Alright, so I am officially done. I have the red bodysuits on here, the gray and the black two-piece sets in the way to inspo. The blue and the black could not fit on here. And I could have squeezed it, but I didn't want the rack to start leaning. So yeah, that's basically it. Once I get done putting everything on the rack, I will tag it. If you want to know how or see how I put my own personal tags on my inventory, just subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified when I drop that video, because that will be my next video. Also, comment down below what kind of tips, advice, any questions that you have as an entrepreneur or upcoming entrepreneur, and I will do a video on it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.